morning everyone. Today we will learn about the local basti. Especially we will see about the Janu basti. These are local bastis and these are very useful, and local basti comes under Bagh Isbehan procedure. Now let us see what are the indication or what are the condition in which we can use this Janu basti. Janu basti is useful in first one is osteoarthritis condition, second knee joint pain, degenerative changes, and in rheumatoid arthritis, ligament tear, and knee joint swelling and stiffness. In all these conditions, Janu basti is very useful. Let us see what is the procedure of Janu basti. For Janu basti, we have to first warm the oil on the pot of, not directly heat the oil. We have to warm the water, and in water we have to heat the oil. The temperature of oil should not be more than 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we have to pour that lukewarm oil inside the ring. That Janu Pradesh is fully covered by the marsh pisti, brim of marsh pisti. Sometimes we are using acrylic frame. Today we have used marsh pisti brim, that is 3 angul height and 1 angul width, and length is with length in such a way that it should cover the whole knee joint. Now pour the oil inside the basti. Pour Moshi. ठीक है, करेंगे जरा। That oil is lukewarm, that means it is not more than 45 degrees Celsius, and that oil should be tolerable to the patient. We have to ask the patient whether it is tolerable to you. Patient is saying yes, so you can pour it in on both the knee joint. This is the main procedure or pradhan karma of Janu basti, in which we have to pour oil inside that brim. Now what are the precautions that we should take during this procedure? First one is temperature of the oil is very much important. That should be uniform and tolerable to the patient. First thing. And second precaution is leakage should not be there. So for that we have stick that pishti with the skin properly, seal it properly so that there would be no leakage. Pour it oil up to the 2 angul of that knee joint. Throughout the procedure, oil should be temperature of oil should be maintained. Now suppose this patient this oil gets cool after some time, so we have to replace that oil with another lukewarm oil. Where is the other quantity of oil? Be there, patient should be there. We have taken oral and written consent of the patient, and our RMO, Dr. Chaitali, must be there while performing at the time of performing the procedure. 2 persons should be there. One is RMO, another one is therapist, and of course there is one patient. So in that manner we have to do this Janu basti. At Actually, Janu Basti is variation of Shiro Basti. It is Basti. That why it is called as Basti, because oil is retained for a specific time, for a particular time on a specific area. Here the area is Janu, that is knee joint. That is why it is called as Janu Basti. Now oil is little cool, so she is removing the oil, and again she will do some oil should be kept inside, so that there would be no cooling, complete cooling of the skin. Now again heating the oil and mixing that lukewarm oil into the remaining oil. Like that 3 times we have to change the oil, and this whole procedure takes 35 minutes and duration is 35 minutes. And how many days we have to perform this procedure? That minimum 1 week to 2 weeks. And definitely we are getting very good result, because we have seen that objective and subjective parameter, we have seen very good result and changes. Like we advise patient to take X-ray before going through this procedure. She has done knee joint X-ray, and we have analyzed the pain with the help of VAS scale. And after the procedure also we will do one X-ray after 14 days, and we will compare the VAS scale, how much pain and swelling and flexibility has improved of the joint. So this is the procedure of Janu Basti, and the post procedure is we have to remove all the oil and remove this brim, do slight massage, and sometimes some patient may need hot fermentation, like that. Thank you so much.